Baby pony, there's an earthquake going on. An earthquake. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god. Help, baby pony. Oh god. Oh no, the world's spinning. I hope it's just I hope just no pony would die. I really need. I'm so dizzy. Ow! I'm so dizzy. Oh. What is happening? Ow! It's a light up snowball. Weird. I mean, oh god! Ow! Ah! You pony, no! Oh no! I hope nothing else falls. That was big and it hurts a lot. Oh my. Oh, every pony, I just fell. Right down. Oh, what else is gonna follow? Money? $10 bill? Gee, that's a lot. Oh, but I hope nothing else falls. Ow! Oh. Oh, I fell. Oh, I can hardly breathe under this. Oh my gosh. I can't breathe. Oh no. This is quick. I'm the worst. Earthquake ever. I hope nothing else falls. Up in the sky. Up in the sky. Go. I can't move, Larry Pony. I can't move. Help, baby pony. Help, some pony. I can't even move. Boy, I sure hope nothing else would fall. Oh my gosh, Baby Pony! What is wrong with this? Oh! A shower! sparkle. Another shoe. Another Twilight sparkle. Oh, every pony. Help. Everything is so heavy, especially the camper and the school bus. Ugh.
Disney Princess, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
What is that? A storytelling thing. Another $10 bill?
This is beautiful.
Oh. Oh, every pony. Goodbye. This might be the end for Pinkie Pie and Fluttershy show. Yay! Oh, everybody! I could fit it. Every pony, I'm so glad to see you. Oh, I'm here. I got the camera. It's so cluttered in here. It's so cluttered. I could hardly fit the phone in. Oh, can you even see me? Oh, I got the light on. This might be the end for Pinkie Pie and Fluttershy show. Oh. Oh my gosh. I hope nothing falls. What? A hammer? I can't. No. What was that? Oh, hey, I can make a little fort out of this stuff. I can't even move, but I gotta call for help. Yes, I know. I also need help. Do you know any way out of here? Whatever your name is. Well, my name's Pinkie Pie and I don't know any way. What is that big light? It's a camera. Oh. How do I turn the light off? Just like that. Okay. But I'd rather it to be on because it's super dark and I'm afraid of the dark. Okay, here. There. Thank you. This is... Oh my gosh. But we could make a house out of this, right, Pinkie? Right. I just came up with that just couple seconds ago. Really? So did I. Well... Oh, What does this do? No, that turns off the phone. Will it stop recording? Yes, it will. Oh. Is that so? Well. What in Equestria was that? It was my crazy dance. I hope everybody liked it. Well, yes, it was pretty crazy, but that was a little too crazy. Please tell me there's a thing called too crazy, because I hope it's a thing, and a part of me hopes it's not a thing, because my parties might get too crazy. Oh, don't worry. Nobody's parties would get too crazy. Just like your sugar that you eat. You'll get a sugar rush. And if you keep eating it, when you get a sugar crush, as you could keep eating that sugar, the sugar, the sugar, oh. Then you'll be bouncing off those walls. Bouncing off what? Bouncing off the walls. Hey, walls. Let's go. Oh, Pinkie Pie! I'm so glad to see you. Pinkie Pie, I was stuck here by myself, I thought. But then I found you and some other pony that I have no idea is. Excuse me, I'm a cat. Not a pony. You're a pony, and she's a pony. Oh. Is that so? Yes, it is so. Well, goodbye. I don't really like don't really want to be in a video right now. What was that? I don't know, but it sounded crazy. Sound like bad news, too. Well,